This is the third set with the Philippine Navy up by a point, 8-7. And let's see what Ivy Remulla has at her end. Ivy, what's up?
Thank you, Ian. And Coach Nene told the team to enjoy the game at do not feel pressured in winning. Focus on each skill one by one at wag magmamadali. It's very important that they play at their own pace. And the team also needs to be mindful of their errors and work hard inside the court. Sipag at syaga lang ang kailangan para manalo. For the Philippine Army, they also need to keep up with their good offensive patterns as they have been very successful in breaking the defense of Philippine Navy. They only have a few players to watch out for, and they should be able to adjust easily. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks, Ivy. And Nene Bautista back in the front row. Two-touch violation on Ers Iratay. Minsan sa tapon pa lang ng bola,
makikita
mo na, no? Pag yung spin, medyo pangit yung spin ng bola. Yung mga referees natin, tansyado na nila yan.
Siguro ikaw dati, hindi ka natatawagan ng gano'n. Gano'n kagaling mag-set.
Sinabi mo.
Flawless palagi pag sa game.
Oh, another setting error. Iratay. And that's what you don't want to happen. Your setter just losing, confidence on setting the ball. Yung setting, napaka-importante dun sa opensa ng
Of course. Sabi nga natin, kahit hindi offensive or hindi pumupunto sa mga setter, no, they play a very vital role.
That's right.
They drive the game, actually.
Oh, nice save by Joan Dunag. Suzino get it over.
It does.
And they do.
Carolino successful on that attempt.
Nice patience there for the side of the Philippine Army. Of course, they want to give it to their best option, which is their best scorer, Michelle Carolino. Well, alam mo, when I was setting, natatawagan akong double miski underhand set.
Mahirap na yata yun.
Gano'ng katindi yun. Underhand set na, double pa rin.
Ginawa mong drills, 2 beses.
And so, Ers Iratay, it happens to the best of them. Yun na lang ang sabihin natin. Even Ers Iratay will sometimes get that kind of a call.
And what makes it even more difficult, because syempre, itong mga players natin na pinapawisan din. So sometimes yung bola gets slippery. So, minsan di mo rin maiiwasan.
John Carpio will set this one to Bautista, but it's a bit close to the net. A push there from Ging Balse. One more goal for M. Carolino. Galido with the dig. Oh, nice back set. Oh, look at the coverage. Oh, nice block by Mayet this time.
Oh, don't you just love this? Ending that very long and exciting rally with a drop ball. Yan ang smart.
Very smart.
Habang nagkakagulo lahat, eto butas, doon nidadalhin.
And we are calling a timeout at the moment. It is 9-12. The Army talking things over.
Ang ganda ng defense na tayo. Tumakbo ka muna sa anak set. Kasi tumatakbo ka, nakagano ka na agad. Kaya nalig ka. Huwag na natin palayuin na. Huwag na natin, ha?
Alright, let's look at this previous play. This was after a very long exchange. Itong-kita natin, magkakaroon ng free ball opportunity. Look at Suzanne Roses, getting 2 blockers up with her, pero hindi na piniling. Nakita niya, laki ng butas doon eh. I'll just, put this ball to sleep to na end this play. Ito, tatabi ko lang dito and she got that point easily.
Hindi na pahihirapan ang sarili niya.
Short serve there from Mick Laborte. Nice defense from Michelle.
Oh, look at that roof! Yan ang spiking against a wall. Look at this, the duo of Prochina and Roses.
Prochina.
Actually, it was Prochina that got that block. Kita mo yung balik ng bola sa floor.
And if you're gonna look at how she did that. Yung snap nung wrist niya at the
Oo.
very last second.
Botor Carpio and Roses nagkahiyaan in that
Nagkahiyaan, totoo. Kasi both of them were like within reach already of where that ball landed. Nice serve from Carolino. Ganda nung serve. And Galido not really prepared. Because actually, it's really her job, you know. And medyo mataas naman yung bola eh. Malayo nga yung ano eh. This one is inside. Oh, it's outside, I think. Now making the right call, and Galido making up for that error earlier. Bautista with a good serve also.
oh,
That is still overreaching.
Urs Irata, of course, a backliner. Now we have Tina Salak coming in with applause from the crowd. Si Salak, one of the tallest setters that we have here, actually.
And one of the best that we've had, you know, and still have, now playing for the Philippine Army. Bautista with a service error. Her squad is up by 3. Mayet.
Good block by Dakis.
Oh, that's too close.
Oh, look at that. Again, one of the advantages that you get from having a tall setter like Tina Salak na kasing tangkad na si King Balse at si
Rachel
Ann Dakis is that, you know, they really have that, madali for her to block.
That's right, and they
The
have the
opponent.
length up there over at the net, so napakahirap. Lalo na kung nangyari doon, dikit yung bola sa net, maaabot at maaabot eh.
That's true. And bukod pa dyan na binablock niya, open spiker ng kalaban.
16-13, the Navy turning the tide around, so to speak, here in set number 3.